intersecting line. Intersecting line. Intersecting line means the line which are intersect in the first quadrant or second quadrant. Means a line will be like this condition. They will cut each other. They will touch each other. This is the first condition, first case. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then the solution if we finding the substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method, then it is called the unique solution will come, one solution will come. Means X and Y will be the one only solution. It is line we draw, graph we draw, then it comes the intersecting line, or intersecting line should be like this. Second point it comes, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2, not equals, then it has the no solution. No solution it has. Solution means there will be no answer for that type. And the lines will come the parallel lines. Parallel lines will come. Parallel lines will be like this. It has the no solution and it will come the parallel lines in that. No solutions it will be. If the third case comes, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then solution will come many solution for that one. Many solution. Many solution and lines will be coincident line. Coincident means one line upon another one. Coincident line. So, line will be like this. One line on that another line will be there. So this is the main table that we read here. What are the things? Again, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Then it has the unique solution. One solution line will be intersecting line in first quadrant or the second, third, and quadrant. Case number 2, it says that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Then no solution. No solution, and it line will be the parallel graphical representation. Parallel lines. If we write third case, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then many solution and line will be coincident. Like that, one question 100% will be asked in the board exams, in your CBSE, state syllabus, anywhere you are in that NCERT books. They will give this one, they will ask this one. Suppose that it is given this one. Which is the following relationship is correct? One solution, no solution, many solution, and cannot say. So this one will be one MCQ. If this will give, they will ask this type. Means any one in the table. Table is very important to learning for that one. Now we are going to find out that they will give the equations and we have to find the what is the solution is there or not, which type answer is there or not, and if the